Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today we have a mini haul, and I don't remember what I ordered, so let's just open the boxes first and see what's in here. Oh, yay! So I have here cutlery and ketchup, and this is Amazon brand, which like both of these were like less than $1.50. And I also got these earrings. These are like you just pop them in. So I think it's important, like, for me to have earrings, because people expect me to always have a certain look. These earrings, like, you literally just stick them in and boom. There's nothing to it. You just polish them, keep them polished, and you'll always have something to wear. They're not gaudy. They're not a statement. It just shines and makes you look put together. So I think if you guys don't have like staple earrings in your wardrobe, I think you should look into it. These were only they were under $5. So just down, get the next one out. So I bought this because this is like the ultimate cleaner in my house. Like everything gets wiped down, the stains get addressed, and then after that, I sanitize. So basically, it's like, you know how you guys have your dust put away and wiped down. Well, I have my own system too. So this is the bleach that I use to make sure that everything is clean, sanitized, and germ free, and won't cross contaminate anything in the house. Um, and this is chlorine. This is about maybe under 250. So it's pretty good. It says right here, deep cleans, eliminates stains and degreases, which it does. This one is good at taking food, stove stains and cleaning everything you name it. Things on the floor, things on the counter. Really good. Let's see these little packages. So here I have a scarf, and I often wear scarves on my head because I like to look pretty, like a lady. And these are horse theme equestrian scarves. And I'd like to say it's a Hermes dupe because, I mean, who's bigger known at equestrian and print than Hermes? So I'd like to say it's a dupe. And I got this for about $5. And I really like it. I think it's really pretty. It's soft. It's quality, durable, and the print is obviously cute because it's trendy. So, and I ordered like three, one with houndstooth, the other one similar but a different color. I think I'll give the houndstooth one to my mom. Because I think that's like a more conservative look. I don't really have that per se. And here I have lentils because like I'm really into soup right now. So I'm gonna be making soup. Then, oh, and this one was on sale. It was like less than 250. Plus, it had this coupon. And this is just this little um, cross. It looks like a Viking cross. I like the necklace. Look at this necklace. It's so cute. And then this pendant, this cross, it looks like really, really vintage. Like it looks like a treasure or something. That's cute. But I really do like this. Actually, I think for the most part, if it's not gold, if it's a choker, I'll buy it. And then I got this little package to open. Oh, this is heavy. I think I know what this is. So this one I got like 2 for like % off, and then like the total cost ended up being $5 for 2 necklaces, similar like this. And I already have one, and this is another one that I bought, which it's a Cuban chain link. It's got a clasp on the back, but it's pretty because it's gold, and I didn't have a gold one. I have a silver one. Let's see if I can open this. I think they shrink wrapped the whole thing. That is crazy. Okay. Jeez Louise. The button. Okay. Yeah, I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't do it. Sorry guys. I'm just gonna put this in here, okay? Because it like I have like a set. And this is trash. And then I have one big box. Let me see. Oh, I know what this one is. I know exactly what this one is. So here I have squeezed cheese. And this one I'm happy to say like I didn't pay like more than $2.50 for it. And it's just a squeezed cheese. It's shelf staple, which is important to me. And this is by Old El Paso. So this is basically like taco sauce or whatever, but it's just cheese, squeezed cheese, and it's like nacho flavored. And then of course I got bottles of water. I got bottles of water because like that's how I stay hydrated. That's it for that box. except for this cute little necklace, or what is it? Um, bracelet. Like it goes with the necklace, I think. Okay, it's so cute. And it's like this, like the thing if it fits me, this will fit me. And this is like your signs for the zodiac or whatever constellation. It's a constellation with like according to your zodiac. And I thought it was so cute. I had to get it. You see that detail? Isn't that cute? But like nothing ever fits me. Oh, I thought this would fit me. Aw, I thought it would fit. Well, well, thank you guys for watching. I like my haul. I give it a 10 out of 10 because you know what? I got everything, you know, all all the good things, all good deals, great deals. And you know what I mean? One less thing I have to worry about. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. My son different. Bye bye.